Firm, glowing, healthy skin is something many of us take for granted. Chances are we don't think too hard about what keeps our skin supple until our skin begins to sag. Aging, environmental factors, and genetics can cause the skin around the face, neck, and even the chest to become saggy and loose. While there are no serious health implications to sagging skin, it can be unsightly and uncomfortable. Even more upsetting, it only gets worse. Let's take a look at some of the best home remedies for natural, affordable skin tightening. 1. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a fantastic ingredient with multiple uses. You might be more used to using coconut oil in the kitchen, but it's also an effective beauty product. Apply a couple of tablespoons of coconut oil to the skin on your face and neck before bed. Spend about 5 minutes massaging in circular motions to allow the oil to absorb into your skin. For best results, let the coconut oil sit on your face overnight. 2. Coffee scrub. Who doesn't love a bracing cup of coffee in the morning? You can also use coffee to make an exfoliating skin scrub for your face and neck. Coffee contains antioxidants, making it helpful to fight off the effects of skin aging. The rough scrub elements help to exfoliate and firm up the skin. Combine a quarter cup of coffee grounds, a quarter cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Thoroughly mix the ingredients. You should now have a gritty mixture. Rub the scrub on your face, neck, and chest in gentle circular motions for 5 minutes, and then rinse your face. For best results, use the coffee scrub once a week. 3. Olive oil. Just about all of us have a bottle of olive oil in the cupboard. Olive oil far predates modern moisturizers and beauty treatments, and it's still useful today. Since olive oil contains vitamin E, it's one of the best natural home remedies if you're looking to tighten your skin and reduce the chance of sun damage. Spend a few minutes massaging a little olive oil into your skin after a shower or warm bath. You can use olive oil in place of a moisturizer or body lotion. 4. Yogurt mask. Yogurt can have a brightening effect on loose skin. It also contains natural enzymes and lactic acid, which works to tighten the skin and shrink pores in the face and neck. Yogurt masks are easy to make and much cheaper than expensive commercial alternatives. Start with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Add 2 drops of lime juice and mix well. Massage the mixture onto your face, neck, and chest and allow it to sit on your skin for around 5 minutes. Be sure to rinse the yogurt mask off your face thoroughly. You can use a yogurt mask once or twice a week. 5. Egg white and honey mask. If you're up for a natural face mask with a little more preparation, an egg white and honey mask is one of the most soothing and effective home remedies. Honey is a strong antioxidant helping to remove toxins that build on our skin over time. Makeup, beauty treatments, and even environmental toxins can have an effect on your skin. You can also use honey as a skin mask by itself. Simply mix honey with a few drops of olive oil to make a warm mixture and rub it in circular motions onto your skin. Let it sit for around 15 minutes, rinse away, and gently pat your face dry. Egg white contains albumin, which is a protein that promotes skin elasticity and skin cell repair. This contributes to healthy, supple skin, offering the youthful glow that we all chase. Start by taking 1 egg white and mixing in 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix well and apply the paste to your face, neck, and chest. Let the mask sit on your skin for around 15 minutes. Wash off the mask with warm water thoroughly and repeat once or twice a week for best results. 6. Aloe Vera mask. Aloe vera is a remarkably versatile plant that has a wide variety of uses. You don't need to stop at using aloe vera gel for burns. You can also use it as a face mask to tighten sagging skin. Simply spread aloe vera gel over your face, neck, and chest. Allow it to sit on your skin for around 15 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. You don't even have to buy aloe vera gel if you have your own aloe vera plant. Aloe is low maintenance and easy to grow from home. 7. Cucumber. Cucumber makes a fresh and refreshing addition to a meal, but it can also be ground up to make a handy skin-tightening face mask. Start by grinding up half of a whole cucumber. You'll need to strain out the pulp to remove any juice. Now you can either use the pulp or the juice as a face mask. If you're using the juice, rub the cucumber juice all over your face, neck, and chest. Let the juice sit on your skin for around 15 minutes. Make sure to let it dry before you rinse it off. Alternatively, you can use both the pulp and the juice as a face mask. Follow the same method, applying the pulp and juice to your skin and allowing the mask to sit for 15 minutes. Finally, rinse the mixture from your skin with warm water and mix well. This will keep your skin healthy, young-looking, and hydrated. 8. Banana and papaya. Last but not least, a banana and papaya mixture can be a soothing, refreshing face mask. Papaya contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and antioxidants. This helps to smooth and tighten skin, keeping it firm and supple. Banana is well known for its vitamin content, containing zinc, potassium, iron, magnesium, and a host of other vitamins. Blend the papaya and extract the pulp, then mash one ripe banana and add a few drops of lemon juice, which has astringent properties and boosts collagen production. Apply the mixture to the skin of your face, neck, and chest. Leave the mask on your skin for anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse with warm water thoroughly. You can also use bananas and papayas as home remedies for natural skin tightening separately. Another natural method of combating sagging skin, aside from using the home remedies, is to use facial exercises and stretches. While these exercises may not necessarily work to suck your skin back into place, they do tone your facial muscles. This can help the skin around your face, neck, and chest to seem fuller and tighter. Facial exercises can also help to tone up the dreaded double chin, where a pouch of skin or fat collects underneath the jaw. Let's take a look at a few easy exercises you could try to firm up saggy skin. 1. Chin lifts. A chin lift is exactly what it sounds like. Turn your face so you're looking upwards and stick out your chin. You should feel a pull on your face and neck muscles while you do this. For an extra stretch, purse your lips as if you're trying to kiss the ceiling. Hold the position for 10 to 15 seconds, then relax and repeat. For best results, try doing chin lifts several times a day. Be sure not to push yourself too hard. You want to tighten the skin, not hurt yourself. If you notice any pain in your muscles, stop the exercise. 2. Chewing exercises. Chewing is one of the simplest ways to strengthen jaw muscles and help tighten the skin around the mouth. You don't need to eat constantly to do this exercise. Chewing gum will do just fine. Chewing gum can be done while you're distracted by other things, perhaps focusing on work. In effect, you're working out without even realizing it. 3. Pouting, the fish face. If you don't mind looking a little silly, the fish face is an anti-aging exercise that can help you stretch out the muscles in your jaw and cheeks. Start by sucking in your cheeks, past your teeth, and into your mouth. This gives the fishy expression. Hold the pose for 10 to 15 seconds, then release and repeat. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on the 6 best vitamins for skin tightening. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.